morning or afternoon, my lovely Moas. Welcome back. Today we are getting into the members' solos MV. As you guys already know, I checked out the solos already when we did the album reaction. Absolutely loved all of the solos. Seriously, I freaking love them all. They're incredible. So now we are getting into the MV, and we can fully focus on the MV since we've already heard the songs and the lyrics. And I have definitely heard these songs plenty of times. The amount of times I've had this freaking album on repeat. I literally made my brother listen to it, and he really loved the album. Super excited to see what they have for the MV. It's all giving different vibes. Like, this seems like it's going to be more mysterious, based on the cover, not based on this. Super excited to get into it today. I hope you most have been doing great. Hope you guys have been doing good. Okay, let's get into it. My ghost girl, you can take my soul, girl. Now you're not. Oh, Yeonjun. Okay, that beginning. This song is so fire. Whoa.
You can be my ghost girl. You can take my soul, girl. 나를 잃은 채 전부 잊을게 real world.
It's too early to be geeking. Yep. Fire. Whoa.
You can be my ghost girl.
Whoa, that shot. I love how he sounds in this song. Ooh, oh my god, his outfit. Oh my god, look at him. What the fuck? Oh my god, look at that smile. Okay. This is my part. Oh. Oh, Yeonjun. Oh my god.
You can be my ghost girl. You can take my soul, girl. 나를 잃은 채
Whoa.
전부 잊을게 real world. You can be my ghost girl.
Ooh.
Ghost girl. 내 심장을 터쳐 지배당한 채 나의 모든 걸 넘겨. You can be my ghost girl. All of my friends 날 보고
I was just listening to this song today too.
And I don't really care. I don't really care.
Whoa.
지옥마저 천국일 테니 baby 함께 있어줄게.
Oh my god, why is he blindfolded?
Nothing get me scared. Darling, 너와 함께라면 걸어가 through the door. 미친놈이래도 뭐 어때?
Oh, bruh, he was gorgeous. Ooh, calm down.
Through the door. 미친놈이래도 뭐 어때? 너로 인해서
Whoa, that shot. Oh my god. He's like washing blood off his hands. Well, it's obviously not blood. It's, you know, paint.
You can be my ghost girl. Come and take my soul, girl. 영혼을 다 섞어서 더 꺼내는 heart. You can be my ghost girl.
Whoa.
나를 잠식해도 오직 너만이
This part is so hard.
숨쉬게 한 girl. You can
The
be my
blindfold,
ghost
please.
girl. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna stay with you.
Oh my god.
I just wanna
Okay.
live
Oh my
and
god.
die with you. You can be my ghost girl.
It's a ghost girl. I wonder who painted this. Does Yeonjun paint? Fire. Wait, is that all? Yeah, this MV was very artistic. I liked all of the art themes in it, like the wall of graffiti, the graffiti wall. And then we got all the paintings. And then, like, I don't know, himself is literally a piece of art. So yeah, there's that too. It was just fire. I really liked this. It was very simple, yet at the same time, he was absolutely serving. I really liked it. Okay. Amazing acting skills. Yeah, the way he was singing when the camera was like kind of to the side, he was like, na, 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 na. You know, like he was like singing. I don't know what he was singing to, but he was singing. That was Yeonjun's. I really enjoyed that. I thoroughly enjoyed that. Let's get it, Soobin. Let's get it. Sunday Driver. Oh my god. My guy. Look at him, he's so cute! The song, please. Okay, chill out. Oh, I love the song. The change from Ghost Girl to Sunday Driver. Oh my god, he's taking care of the plant, please. He took the plant. Okay. So we're getting a buffet of visuals in these MVs. Oh my god, that's so cute. The plant is like dancing. That is cute. Put your hands up back on that wheel. Oh my god, look at him. Are you freaking joking? You're freaking joking! Oh my god, TXT's visuals are unreal. Literally every single member. Oh, it like changes the scenery. How cute. Oh. That was the cutest thing of my life. Please. You gotta be shitting me. You're shitting me. Please. Okay, one more time. That was the cutest thing I've ever seen. Yeah. This is a vibe. Him and that plant. How cute. Holy shit, he looks good. Oh my god. Please. That's so cute. Alright. I want to be a plant so bad. Oh my god, all the sunflowers. Oh wow. Oh, that's sick. That is so cool. Oh my god, him animated. Please. That's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, the smile is like on point. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so cute. Has he been getting towed this whole time? He's just been getting towed? What was that little plant holding? Oh, I thought the plant was like holding something. Oh my god, the plant! That is so cute. This MV was freaking cute. It was such good vibes. I did not expect the little animation part at all. But it was so cute. Oh my god, I really enjoyed that. And Soobin's visuals, I don't even know you guys. Soobin, if you guys know or don't know, Soobin is like this close to becoming my bias. Like he's this close, like this close. It's like a fight between him and Taehyun and Yeonjun and Beomgyu and, you know, Yeonjun, so, you know. Oh my god, this part, please! Where is it? Where is it? Oh my god. I don't know. Let's get this man off the screen. Let's just get him out of here, okay? Soobin, you killed it, yeah. He's literally stealing my heart. Okay, I'm gonna dance with you. I want to dance with you. Yeah, this song is stuck in my head. Oh my god, I love that. I love that so much. His outfit. What a tuning! What? Okay. Okay, stop looking at me like that. I can't do this. Okay, not the. What the fuck is Huening doing in here? Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, I freaking love his outfit. I'm actually obsessed. I love that part.
정의로 너와 함께 추는 춤 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 날 맡긴 후 하나가 되는 둘 I wanna dance with you
I know you're joking. I know you're lying.
내게 날 맡긴 후 하나가 되는 둘 I wanna dance with you
What the fuck? What the fuck? I know you're lying. I know you're lying. I know you're lying.
I wanna dance with you
What the fuck? Hiddink, what the fuck are you doing? Hiddink, what the fuck are you doing? Bro, the fuck are you doing? I have chills. Please, the choreo.
I wanna dance with you
Yes. I wish you asked sooner.
I wanna dance with you I wanna dance with you One step, two steps 다가갈게 가까이 내게 맞대 뺨에 심장에 떨리면 난 나가 돼
Oh my god, that shot. I'm stunned. Don't do nothing crazy, please. What the fuck is happening? Don't do no. Oh my god, I'm gonna freak. Whoa, you got jiggy with it. What the fuck? I need more. I know you're lying. I know you're lying. I know you're lying. Bitch, I know you're lying, bitch. I know you're lying. What the fuck is he doing? Yes. Yes, please.
I wanna dance with you.
Hello? Hello?
I wanna dance with you. Dance with you. And I'm I wanna dance with you.
Oh my god.
I wanna dance with you.
About to shed a tear.
I wanna dance with you.
What the fuck? Huening? Why the fuck? What the fuck? Huening? What the fuck? Genuinely what? Nothing could have ever prepared me for this. What the fuck is happening? What is this behavior? I don't know him. That cunty little... The hip movement? You fucking joking. The slow motion? Shut the fuck up. Look at him. Look at him. Are you fucking serious?
I wanna dance with you.
Now let's get absolutely destroyed with Beomgyu Take My Half. Vibe switch for sure. Let's see. This song. Oh my god, this song. I will never shut up about this song. Yep. Rip my heart to shreds, please. I have showed everyone I know this song. Oh, he's in it. Oh my god, he looks unreal too. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at him. Okay, hands. Wow, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, he's gorgeous. It's like gorgeous. It's like shut up. Shut up. Oh no.
정말 원하는 게 뭔지 더는 헷갈리지 않을래. 움츠러들던 작은 어깨 네 눈물을 위한 두
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Look, he's in the darkness. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Wow, all the seasons. Oh, he's animated too. Oh my god. Please don't do this right now. Please don't do this right now. Don't do this. Don't do this. No, bitch. Don't do this. Wow. Wow.
Just take my hand.
These MVs. Oh my god. The difference between Hittings and this one, like, this one had me choked the fuck up, especially when that animation started and then when it went back to Beomgyu. Like, that's just so gorgeous. damn, that made me choke up again. Oh my god. It's like in my throat. Like, I feel like it was animated at the perfect time, like during like the peak of the song, and then like the down, like when it like lowers down, and then it's just Beomgyu in his little hot air balloon. Wow, I did not expect like this whole like hot air balloon, and then like all of the like seasons. He's just there. Oh my god, my heart. Oh my god, my heart. He's just there throughout all the seasons. He's there alone. Oh, look at him with this little box. Please, not Beomgyu. You can't do this. And then the part where there's like sunny on the other side. Like all the parts where it's just sunny on the other side, but the side Beomgyu's on is just dark and stormy. Like, hello? Could you break my heart anymore? The song already made me want to cry when I first listened to it. And now the MV on top of it. Oh my god. I can't even imagine if I listened to this with the MV when I just this like whoa. I can't imagine how I would have reacted if I listened to the solos for the first time with the MVs. Yeah. English right now, goddamn. A beautiful MV. Beomgyu was so gorgeous. The differences between all of these MVs. I love how every single one has been giving a different vibe. Okay. Bird of night. I really don't know what to expect. This song is so gorgeous. Oh no! Don't do this again. Wow. Wow. I love this song. Look at my guy. I'm loving all the animation. Wow. Whoa, sick. Look at my guy. Look at my guy. Where's my guy? No, where's my guy? Did I put my guy away? You know what? Look at him! Oh my god, side profile. Eee. Look at the birds. Oh my god. Wow. Taehyun's side profile is killing me. I love that. I love that. Ah, look my guy, look my guy. Bird of night. Wow. Astra. Oh, it's like laying in all of the tapes. Huh, interesting. And that is the end of the MVs. Each MV was unique, gave something different. We love to see variety. I was really wondering what Taehyun would do for his. It was really interesting. Like with all of the film things, like And then all of the tapes from the films, he's just like laying in it. That was really interesting. And then there was like the daylight finally seeping in, because like all throughout this he's just been in the darkness, like literally darkness. And then the birds escape the cage. Absolutely gorgeous. Taehyun looked so good too. What can we expect? We got a lot of Taehyun's side profile. Look at his side profile. Eats. Back of his head. Eats. Side profile. Literally just his nose. Eats. That's gonna be it from me, MOAs. Let me know what your favorite MV was, if you have a favorite, unless you just like all of them. But let's talk about it in the comments, you guys. I appreciate you guys for being here. This was great. My mind is boggled and I'm completely out of it now. I don't even know. I love you guys. Bye.